Brain tumor detection using multimodal MRI scans with deep learning algorithm. Abstract. Brain tumor detection from MRI images is a critical task for early diagnosis and effective treatment planning in medical imaging. Here is our website, which you can find Python projects and explore various other domains on www.takeoffprojects.com. From Python projects to span diverse fields, our website offers a rich collection to satisfy your curiosity. Whether you're seeking titles or abstracts, our platform provides easy access to the project resources. Embark on a journey of discovery and innovation by visiting our website today and dive into the world of exciting projects and research. Document. In Document we can provide this: contents, abstract, introduction, literature survey, system analysis, requirement analysis, system design, implementation and results, system study and testing, conclusion, future enhancement or future scope, references. PPT. In PPT we can provide abstract, introduction, literature survey, existing method, disadvantages, proposed method, proposed block diagram, simulation block diagram and results. Advantages, applications, software and hardware requirements, conclusion, future scope and references. Results. The homepage of LifeCare introduces the urgent tumor diagnosis service powered by AI and advanced imaging technologies. This page outlines the advanced brain tumor detection and segmentation services offered by LifeCare. The registration page allows new users to create an account by providing essential information such as name, email address, and password. The login page provides an interface for registered users to access their accounts securely. This page enables users to upload MRI scans for analysis. This page provides feedback that tumor was detected in the uploaded MRI image. This page provides feedback that no tumor was detected in the uploaded MRI image. This page alerts users that the uploaded image is irrelevant for the analysis. Thank you for watching. For more details, contact 9030333433.